Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I live in New Jersey here in the United States. And in today's video, I hope that you get energized and that you get the motivation that you're looking for to kick off spring 2022. If you like this channel, would you become a subscriber and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my coming videos? Without further ado, grab your favorite drink and let's get to moving.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa.
The goal in this dining room for this spring is to declutter as much as I can. And the reason for that is because I would love to tear down the wall that's behind this china cabinet that connects to the kitchen, and one day build maybe an island. And even if I don't build an island, just to connect the kitchen with the dining room, to me that will be awesome. My challenge is that I truly don't have the money to invest in cabinets and new flooring. And, my house is very old and I'm always afraid that if we tear down a wall there, then we may find something more than just tearing down a wall. And I hope that makes sense. But I'm trying my best to try to declutter and see how far I can go. And I hope that you continue to come along with me in this journey of decluttering and cleaning and deep cleaning. And I hope that 1 year from today, and hopefully before that, you see me tearing down the wall that is actually right behind this cabinet and connecting my kitchen. So if you like things like that, I hope you stay tuned and you continue the journey with me.
No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. Steady,
You probably looking at me and all the stuff that I have in this china cabinet and wondering why do I hoard so many things? And I'll be honest with you, I've been in this journey and I go from I want to be a minimalist to hey, maybe I'm not so much of a minimalist, but I do want to learn how to live with less. And what got me really into this mindset was last year, and it was around this time when Netflix launched the Less is Now documentary. I started the journey and I did declutter, and I cannot tell you how much I declutter. It was a lot. But guess what? For some reason, I ended up filling up this china cabinets again. And I don't know, it's just my weakness, and I struggle with that. And I'm curious to know if you have started a journey of having less, and what are your setbacks?
How I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby. You're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
After I finished cleaning the top drawer, I went downstairs to grab something, and I realized that I had purchased these baskets from Dollar Tree about 2 weeks ago. So that's why you see me that I switched them, but I can promise you I did clean the first drawer just like I cleaned the rest. Also, I wanted to ask you guys if you are enjoying the music that you're listening in my videos. I love all type of music. You'll be surprised the type of music that I listen to, and I've been spending this week a lot of time listening to music for the videos, for the content to share with you guys. And I am intrigued if you'll be okay if I start using songs that are not particularly in English. And I am going to put a song that I found in Spanish here. But if you guys don't enjoy that or you don't want to hear a song, because I have another one in Portuguese, and I'm trying to find music that they're not just one genre or one in one language. Let me know if it's something you enjoy. If you guys are not going to enjoy this, I will never do that again. But I really want your opinion on this.
Es difícil decir que te amo, pero no sé si estoy mezclando una vez más lo que me das y lo que quiero. De pronto ya no sea mi realidad. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos. No sé si es amor, es que no quiero estar solo. A veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Estamos envueltos en un juego de dos. Quiero estar a lo tuyo, pero a veces no. De pronto son cosas del destino. O mejoramos con el tiempo como el vino. Súbeme la nota, que no se me nota. Ya no estaba ready y fui un idiota. Que hay mucha brisa, se acabó la risa. Ya empezamos el gota a gota. Perdona la actitud que yo tengo hacia ti. Yo me pongo inseguro cuando tú quieres estar cerquita de mí. Creo que la juventud me ha jodido a mí. No había nada interesante, solo interesadas a quien desvestir. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos. No sé si es amor, es que no quiero estar solo. A veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Ahora yo entiendo toda la gravedad. Tú tan hermosa y no te ofrezco nada. Solo
What you see me using here is hot water and Downy, which is a fabric softener. But I'll be very honest with you, I did not like it. It did not do the job for me. I rather use dish Dawn detergent, or even better, I like when I use my Tide, which is a laundry powder detergent. It does a better job. If you have any other ideas, I know there's a lot of people that clean with vinegar, and I don't think I ever try to clean the walls with water and vinegar. But if you do have a better solution for me, would you be so kind and leave me a comment down below? I truly, truly appreciate it.
no te puedo dar lo que tú quieras, baby, la verás. Aunque bebé yo te llene de Dior, no se arregla esta relación. Lo que yo puedo es pedir perdón, porque no siento lo que sientes vos. Perdona la actitud que yo tengo hacia ti. Yo me pongo inseguro cuando tú quieres estar cerquita de mí. Creo que la juventud me ha jodido a mí. No había nada interesante, solo interesadas a quien desvestir. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos. No sé si es amor, es que no quiero estar solo. A veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Tú sabes.
You're probably thinking that it would have been smart to unload the china cabinet then move it, then load it, right? Especially knowing that in my head from the beginning I knew I wanted to move it. But sometimes this is how I do things. I guess I like to work extra hard for no reason. But anyhow, look at all the mess that I found behind this china cabinet. Disgusting. More hair and more hair from my fur babies. But it is what it is. Friend, if you made it this far with me into this video, from the bottom of my heart, as always, thank you. I am grateful and I don't take it for granted that your valuable time was spent with me in this decluttering series and spring refresh 2022. I hope that you really found something that encouraged you, that lit you, that you are walking away from this video energized and ready to tackle an area in your home that needs a spring refresh. I hope that you come back and that I'll see you in our next video. Make sure to stay until the end to see how it turned out. And until then, I pray that you stay safe and healthy. And until next time, I am sending you virtual hugs. God bless you.